Hey, what's going on guys, Link here and welcome to my video. Today I have an OBD2 scanner. This is basically a device where you scan your car and see if there's any problem with it. So I'm gonna take this and show you guys how to use it. So inside the box I have is the scanner. The box came pretty beaten up from Amazon. I'm really disappointed, but nothing happened to the scanner, so I'm kind of happy about that. So here is the scanner. There you go. It has those plugs in. You just plug it into your car. Comes with an instruction, a piece of paper. It says Bluetooth OBD2 scanner tool. You basically need a Android phone or a Windows phone for this to work. Not iOS compatible. Yeah, so it's not gonna work with iOS devices. So let's take this device and put it to use. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. And I'm gonna show you guys how to read everything else. As you can see, I'm here on the driver's side and I'm just gonna go down, and a lot of cars have it over here right next to the pedals and everything, just on top. So I'm just gonna take the scanner and I'm gonna plug it in. Make sure you plug it in right, because it has it doesn't go either way, so just make sure you plug it in right. Scanner's in, but it's really weird. I can't see the light. If you see my hand right there, you see the red light there, but it's facing the other way. I think it's just my car that's that's set up like that. So if you see the light on, then it's working. What you want to do next is you want to take a Android phone or Microsoft or your PC, whatever it is that you want to scan this with. You're gonna have to go to your Google Play Store, or if you're doing this on a Windows phone, you're gonna have to go to your store and you're gonna have to download the app, and the name of the app is Torque OBD. As you can see right there, it says on the paper here. On my phone here on Samsung Galaxy, so as you can see, we have the OBD2 scanner right here available. So you press that thing in and it's gonna ask you for the code, and the code is here on the paper, which is 1234. I'm gonna put in 1234 and then continue and press OK. Alright, now it's paired. As you can see, it's it's a paired device now. So what you do right now, you're gonna get out of here and you're gonna go to the app which you have downloaded. This is inside the app. As you can see, the vacuum pressure and coolant temperature and all the data that I need are there. So I'm just gonna show you how to put this on. Let's say I want to put something on. I'm gonna use the menu button here, and then you just add to display. So you want a graph of something. I'm just gonna put the air temperature here, and I'm gonna put a small one of those. And let's say this is on my way, so all I have to do is press it and move display. I'm gonna move it over here, so I have it with me and I see all these data is running and constantly scanning my car, and it's just to see what's going on with my car. So just check these data and see if there's anything wrong with your car, something out of the ordinary. Then you need to know. Then you can know that you need to fix your car, and that's pretty much all there is to using a OBD2 scanner. That's pretty much it. And the scanner that I got is pretty cheap. I got it from Amazon, as I told you in the beginning. That's the cheapest one I found. So if you guys get a better one, I think the better ones are going to be better. Maybe better apps, or some of them I saw that has a screen on it. On the device itself, and it reads all the problems up with codes and everything. But I just thought that was very complicated for me, and I just need numbers to see on the screen. So I got this one, and it works fine for me, so I'm good. And I'll just leave the link on the description, so check it out if you need to. And if you guys have any questions, let me know, or if you can answer any questions, answer them for other people. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.